Hi there everyone, this is Pembroke here. Just like to say a nice trip to Stafford a few weeks ago. I went into Top Trains and picked up this Bachmann Sound Fitted Class 66, and I've fitted Illuminated Models lighting kit to it and a mega bass speaker from Road and Rails. I have to say that I got this for a good bargain at Top Trains. Great shop, nice clean and tidy, well stocked of especially brand new stuff and some second-hand stuff, and the father and son were very helpful. They even got a cup of tea as well, and they tested the local out. So if you're ever up in the area in Staffordshire, check out Top Trains. Fantastic shop. Let's just start this one up.